Welcome back, students. This is the last video for the chapter 2 explanation. Now we are going to start with the question number 4. In the question number 4, you are going to explain some terms. First term that is given is saturated solution. Let's study it. A saturated solution. Actually, a saturated solution is a solution in which no more of solute can be dissolved at that given temperature. Means, let's suppose 50 gram of solute is the maximum amount that can be dissolved in 100 gram of water. कि एक पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर पर एट अ पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर व्हेन नो मोर सोल्यूट कैन बी डिजोल्व. अब देखो, आप 100 ग्राम वाटर में आप सोल्यूट ऐड कर रहे हो. लाइक अगर आप फॉर एग्जांपल वी टेक द सोल्ट. अगर आपको 100 ग्राम वाटर में अगर आपको सोल्ट डिजोल्व करने के लिए दिया जाए तो एक ऐसी लिमिट आ जाती है जब आप अगर और सोल्ट ऐड करोगे तो वो डिजोल्व नहीं होगा, वो एज इट इज़ अनडिजोल्व आपको वाटर में वो मिल जाएगा. Means that level is that time that solution is saturated solution and that level is saturation level for that particular solvent. Next is pure substance. A pure substance consists of a single of matter or particles and cannot be separated into other kind of matter by any physical process. मीन्स कि प्योर सब्सटेंस होते हैं वो सिर्फ एक सिंगल काइंड ऑफ पार्टिकल से बने होते हैं और जो पार्टिकल हैं वो सेपरेट नहीं होंगे बाय द फिजिकल प्रोसेस से वो कभी हम उसको सेपरेट नहीं कर सकेंगे. प्योर सब्सटेंस ऑलवेज हैव द सेम कलर, टेस्ट एंड टेक्सचर एट ए गिवन टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर. Let's take an example of pure water. That is, a pure water is always colorless, odorless and tasteless, and it boil at 373 Kelvin at the normal atmospheric pressure. So you can say that properties will remain same of a pure substance. Next is colloidal solution, and after this you have to explain the suspension solution. Let's take a colloidal solution and we do a detailed study of these kind of solutions into the chapter explanation also. So I advise to firstly take a read of the chapter also. Colloidal solution are heterogeneous mixture and that particle size is so much small to be we can't see these particles with the naked eye, but these particles are big enough to scatter light, so they show the Tyndall effect. And a suspension is also a heterogeneous mixture in which solute particles do not dissolve but remain suspended throughout the bulk of the medium. कि जो पार्टिकल हैं वो डिजोल्व नहीं होंगे बट वो एज इट इज़ आपके सस्पेंडेड रहेंगे मीडियम में. And example for the suspension solution is wheat flour in water, sand in water, and so many. And for the colloidal solution, examples are smoke, milk, fog, clouds, and many more. They are the examples of colloidal solution. Come to the next question. Classify each of the following as homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture. These some examples are given. Let's study these one by one. First is soda water is given. Before solving this, you should know about the properties of heterogeneous and homogeneous mixture and revise these properties. First, homogeneous mixture. Soda water is a homogeneous mixture. Wood is heterogeneous mixture. Next is air is the homogeneous mixture. Soil is the heterogeneous mixture. Vinegar and filtered tea, these both are the homogeneous mixture. Next question is, how would you confirm that colorless liquid given to you is a pure water? In this, let's come here. Here in this question we study about the pure substances, and pure substances have the same kind of texture, color, taste at a given temperature and pressure. And pure water properties are also given here. Pure water start boiling at 373 Kelvin temperature at a normal atmospheric pressure. Now again come back to the question. You know, pure water start boiling at 373 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure, and if your sample solution is start boiling at that particular temperature, so you can know that the given liquid is a pure water, it is not contaminated. And if doesn't start boiling at that temperature or at that atmospheric pressure, so you can say that your sample liquid is contaminated. Now come to the next question. Which of the following material fall in the category of pure substance? Let's start. Ice. Ice is a pure substance. Milk is a not pure substance. Iron is a pure substance. Hydrochloric acid is also a pure substance. Calcium oxide is also a pure substance. Mercury is also a pure substance. Bricks are not pure substance. Wood is also not pure. And air is also not pure. Why? Because air is a mixture of many gases. So we can say that the air is not a pure substance. Come to the next. Identify the solution among the following mixture. Soil is given. Soil is not a solution. Yes. Seawater is a solution. Air is also a solution. Next is coal. Coal is not a solution. And soda water, that is a solution. Next is, which of the following will show Tyndall effect? First is salt solution. Salt solution is a homogeneous mixture, so particles are so small it will not disappear, scatter the beam of light, so it doesn't show that Tyndall effect. You know, heterogeneous mixtures will show the Tyndall effect. Milk is a heterogeneous mixture, so it shows the Tyndall effect. Copper sulfate solution will not show the Tyndall effect, but starch solution, again it's an heterogeneous mixture, so it also shows the Tyndall effect. Next question is, classify the following into element, compound and mixture. First is sodium. Sodium is element. Soil is a mixture. Sugar solution is also a mixture. Next is silver. Silver is element. Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is a compound. Tin is a element. Silicon is also element. Coal is a mixture. Air is mixture. Soap is a mixture. Methane and this carbon dioxide are the compounds, and blood is also a mixture. Next question is, which of the following are chemical changes? Growth of plant, it's, you know, chemical change. Rusting of iron is also a chemical change. Mixing of iron, filling and sand, no, this is physical change, not a chemical change. Cooking of food is chemical change. Digestion of food, chemical change. Freezing of water, again a physical change. And burning of candle is a chemical change. So with this question, your exercise solution will complete. Now it's your duty to learn all the question answers, and if you have any doubt, you can ask via the comments or e-feedback option.